How to buy and print bulk vouchers using Smartcall online. Go to www.smartcallonline.co.za and log in. To log in, enter your cell phone number. From your cell phone, dial *130 *678 *23# to receive your one-time PIN. Type in your one-time PIN and select Login. Once you are logged in, select Smart Print Bulk Vouchers and then select Buy Vouchers. Select your network, type of voucher and amount of vouchers that you require. Enter your Smartload PIN to proceed. If we already have dealer contact details for you, these will be displayed on the confirmation screen. If not, we will ask you for a once-off capture of these details. After confirming your order, your vouchers will be added to the library of vouchers bought by you. These can be viewed and printed from the View and Print Vouchers menu. This option will list all voucher batches bought by you. You can view your voucher history or select them for printing. Should you like to do a partial reprint on a voucher batch, please use the print from serial to serial or print from batch to batch option. When hitting the print button, a printable file will be created for download. This file should be saved to C:\smartprint\files, and then open for printing through the Smart Print application. Please note that while the files are available in plain text, the voucher pins are scrambled and not usable directly from the file. Printed vouchers will have the correct pins. Open your downloaded voucher file with the Smart Print application and print. Remember that voucher files must be downloaded to your Smart Print application's files folder. On the print confirmation screen, make sure there are no checkboxes under Options selected. Printer must be selected as generic/text only, and escape commands must be set to none. For more information and to download the Smart Print application, go to www.smartcallonline.co.za.